Eh bantu bakithi, black people, bantu abamnyama, into ekufanele niyikhumbule ukuthi asihlupheki ngoba samaZulu, asihlupheki ngoba samaTswana, asihlupheki ngoba samaTsonga, asihlupheki ngoba sabeSuthu, asihlupheki ngoba samaNdebele, asihlupheki ngoba samaKhoe, samaSan, asihlupheki ngoba sabaPedi, asihlupheki ngoba ama-section lamancane, sihlupheka ngoba singabantu abamnyama, sihlupheka ngoba i-system was created yenzelwa ukuba sihlupheke. Uma lokho singakutholi sazoqhubeka sihlupheke. Ukuthi umTswana, umuPedi akusasho lutho manje. You are black, that's why